Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the control panel overlay on this Frigidaire air conditioner, unplug the unit's power cord. If still intact, peel off the old overlay. To install the new control panel overlay, peel off the backing to expose the adhesive. Then carefully align it on the control panel and press firmly to adhere it to the panel. Plug the power cord back in, and the air conditioner should be ready for use.